talk of the town everywhere. AI is going to replace human jobs full time, left, right, and center. Goldman Sachs themselves say 300 million jobs just by 2030. So, have you entered the AI or not? See, we need not go and buy the course. People are just selling the courses and selling their products, right? We need to trust someone of authority. So, where do you go from here to actually enter into this AI space? The answer is simply this is a $500 million company, Go High Level. They are conducting this 5-day live AI challenge. They're conducting this challenge 2 times every month. So you can just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/AI. It'll reroute you to the Go High Level official website. You click on Save My Seat and register for the next challenge. It's 100% free. Go High Level is a $500 million company growing exponentially with 800 employees based in USA. Definitely they have the authority, and it's 100% free 5-day challenge must go through. So many people are finding success, like literally people are earning hundreds of thousands of dollars per month business. That means they keep on getting recurring income just by selling the pre-built AI chatbots. Day 1, you'll be taught creating your irresistible offer, right? Day 2 would be setting up day, where you just set up the software, how do you collect the payment from the people. Then day 3, how do you go out and prospect and sell the product?